Welcome. If your Instagram on PC suddenly switched to dark mode and it's not your style, don't worry. It's easy to turn it off with the latest update. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to switch Instagram back to light mode on the web. First, open your browser and go to Instagram. Log into your account as usual. Once you're on the home screen, take a look at the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see a small menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is where Instagram has moved a lot of its settings in the new layout. Go ahead and click on those 3 lines. A side menu will pop up with several options. From here, look for the option labeled Switch Appearance. This is the new place where Instagram lets you control how the interface looks, including dark mode and light mode. Click on Switch Appearance and you'll see the current theme setting. If dark mode is enabled, the screen will appear darker with light text. To disable it, simply switch to the light mode option. As soon as you select it, Instagram will instantly change back to its brighter, classic look. That's it. You're done. No need to refresh the page or restart anything. The change applies immediately, so you can continue browsing, messaging, or scrolling your feed in light mode without any interruption. If you ever want to switch back to dark mode, just follow the same steps again and select the darker theme. Instagram makes it really simple to toggle between styles depending on your preference or the time of day. And that's how you disable dark mode on Instagram web using your PC with the new update.